Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator, and I have a design to show you today that just uses cursive handwriting. It's called Love. So we're just gonna write. So I'm just writing the word I want my recipient to see on their border over and over. And I could include a little heart, so let's do that. Let's put a little heart here, heart, and then we'll go back. So don't be afraid to incorporate words into your borders. It's a nice way to add a human touch from the maker to the recipient. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, contact your local dealer, visit your local APQS store, or visit us online at apqs.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook. We'd love to see what you're working on.